This is Steve with American Ironworks. This morning we're going to be performing a test on our 2 3/8 2-bolt double-eared hobble system. This is the same hobble system we use on our 1502 piping, but we will turn the ears the same direction when we're securing the 1502. We use this same clamp for anchoring our whipstop systems. We have a customer that's wanting to use this clamp to support a pipe vertically, and the two numbers that we're looking for this morning is to see at what load the clamp starts to slide along the pipe, and then we will go ahead and pull it to break. Once the clamp slides up to this collar right here, then we will go ahead and pull it to break. Let's see how it performs. Okay, looks like the clamp started to slide at 3,586 pounds. Now we're going to go ahead and pull it to break and see what the breaking strength of the clamp is. $15, $17, $18, $19, $20. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30,000, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 45. We pulled 45,000 and the half-inch cable in the basket failed. That's well above what was required for the clamp. Looks like that it pulled 45,574. Good test.